it's me, Jade. So today we're going to start with the Katakana alphabet! Woo! Heads up, I really don't like this alphabet, but you have to learn it. So today we're going to be learning the first 15 characters, which are Aiueo, Kakiku Keko, and Sashi Seso. Let's jump into it. So this is the first one. So you do a line across here, curve it down, and then the line comes and flicks out at the bottom. E. So for E, you start with this line swooping down here. Woo. And then you just do the line underneath it, like a jazzy T. E, u. So you start with this line at the top, then you go down, across, and curve underneath. E. So you do this. It's like a sideways H. Top line, go down, slightly longer bottom line. And the final one for this section, O. You start with the line going horizontally, then you go down and give it a little flick, and then this one comes stringing out at the side. O. Okay, so let's recap these. O. Now onto the K section. Ka. So you go along here and down with a flick, and then you come here. Cha. Ka. Ki. It looks a little bit like an antenna wire. So you start with this line, have a slightly longer one down here, and then have a diagonal line going through them. Ki, ku. This is kind of like a scythe. So you start with this line here, sloping down to the left, then you go along the top and swerve underneath. Ku. Actually, this line should be a little bit shorter. Ku, ke. So this is very similar to ku, except that ku, you come down here at the end, and ke, it's like in the middle. So you start over here at the side again, come out, and down. Ke, ko. This is like a not complete box. So you do this. So you get your right angle in there, and then you come across. Ko. Sorry, that was kind of wonky, but you know what it should look like. Okay, let's recap those. Kakiku Keko. Onto the S group. Sa. So you start with this line going across horizontally, then you go down, then you go down a bit longer. Sa. Shi. This looks like a smiley face, and it's wonderful. So you start from the top one going down, like two little dashes, and then you go down underneath, do a flick. Shi. Su. You do this first. So, and then you come out with a little leg. Su. Set. You're going to start by going slightly up to the right and flicking down. And then you do this slope underneath. Set. Finally, so. So you start with the dash going down, and then you come up here. So. Let's recap those. Sa, shi, su, se, so. And that's that. See me again in part 2 for the next 15 characters of the Katakana alphabet. Woo! Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Like this video if you learnt something, and comment below for any questions you have. Bye guys!